Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing visible screws and stops so you can access the lock assembly. Use the correct driver and keep parts organized. Once done, you expose the latch and cylinder. If the door is sliding, pull it to mid-track and lift slightly to unseat rollers. For hinged glass doors, support the panel when loosening hinges. Keep a rag beneath to catch small parts, and use your phone to photograph each step so you can reverse the procedure accurately. You now inspect the internal mechanism to find the failure point, rotate the cylinder, and observe the cam moving the latch. If the cam slips or pins are worn, remove the retaining clip and extract the cylinder assembly. Clean debris and old grease. Lubricate moving parts lightly so they move smoothly but without gumming. Replace any stripped screws, bent rods, or worn cams with matching parts. Once replaced, reassemble the actuator linkages, making sure each pivot aligns, and the latch retracts fully when you operate the key or handle. You finish by reinstalling the lock assembly and testing it through at least 10 cycles, checking for smooth engagement and consistent latching. Make small adjustments to the striker plate or rollers to correct any misalignment. Once aligned, tighten fasteners snugly, but avoid over-torque that cracks glass fittings. If the lock still binds, use thin shims behind the hinge or adjust roller tension. If persistent issues remain, swap in a known good cylinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.